Which of the following statements best expresses the main idea of paragraph 2? When looking for a main idea, it's important to ask yourself, does every sentence in this paragraph either lead up to, mention, or expound upon this idea? Other helpful questions are, what would this paragraph look like if this was the main idea? And what would the paragraph look like without this idea? Let's take a look at our choices for some examples. A. Greenhouse gas emissions from food waste increased in past years and are equivalent to nearly twice the annual emissions produced by all the cars. While it's true that this is mentioned in the passage clearly states that it's nearly twice the annual emissions produced by all the cars driven in the United States and Europe, not simply all the cars. Based on this technicality, this choice can be marked as incorrect. B. Food production is one of the main drivers of climate change. This is definitely a theme we see in the paragraph, though mostly in the beginning and middle. If this idea were to be removed from our paragraph, it would take away most of its essence. Although the end of the paragraph focuses more on what richer countries could be doing, as opposed to climate change, which we don't see reflected in this choice, it could be our answer, so we'll keep an eye on it as we check out the other choices. C. Food waste is responsible for more greenhouse gas emissions than all the cars driven in the United States and Europe, yet richer countries don't act enough in food production. Right off the bat, we can see the similarities between this choice and choice B. Both touch on why food waste is bad for climate change, yet this choice includes the point about richer countries needing to do more, which we saw at the end of the paragraph. If we were to remove this idea, we would more or less be erasing the entire paragraph. With this in mind, it seems we found our answer, but we'll take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. Third world countries account for more food waste than Europe, North America, and Asia. This is factually incorrect. The text states that richer countries in Europe, North America, and Asia contribute 58% of wasted harvests globally, despite having only 37% of the global population. Based on this, we can mark this as incorrect, and we can mark choice C as our final answer.